What's up, y'all? Today is October 16th, so yesterday was my birthday, October 15th, and I decided to shoot a photo shoot. I was thinking about hiring a photographer, but I realized that that will be a very expensive option. And if you like this photo right here, then this video is for you. If you want to save some money, this video right here is for you. Let's get started. What's up, y'all? Before I talk about the photo shoot, before I talk about the setup of the photo shoot, I want to talk about this first. This gonna be number one, because without this, then there is no photo shoot. I want to talk about looks. It can be a photo shoot without good looks, but I'm just saying, just look your best self. So if you got to get your hair cut, if you got to get your hair done, whatever it is you got to get done, I would recommend getting that done, because you are the center of attention when you're doing the photo shoot. You or your family or whatever. The wallpaper that I'm finna talk about is not the center of attention. Whatever equipment is not the center of attention. You are the center of attention. So get your beard trimmed, get your hair done, get your nails done, whatever you gotta do, you know, to look your best self, because you is not finna spend all this money on equipment and then say, dang, I don't even like how I look. You know, I don't even want this posted. You just did all that. So number one is looks. Okay, so number two, I gotta go with backdrop. Backdrop is what I'm finna hang up right now. In my case, I had chose a white backdrop, and I chose that for a reason. I will be covering up the happy birthday, so just watch this video and see how I hang it up. Number three is so important, I feel like. So number three is ring light. You know you gotta have some light when you taking your pictures. You want as much natural light as possible. The more natural light you get, you know, when the sun is out and you got it shining, you know, out your windows, that's great. Also, in my case, my pictures was coming out too light. I don't know if it was the iPhone making my pictures too light or the ring light, but I just decided to push the ring lights back. You know, it was too much light, so I had to push it back. And then I had to bring my phone closer to me. And after I did that, and also with the natural light, my pictures came out just right. It was perfect. I like the lighting, I like how it looked, you know, with my solid color. Make sure you get that ring light. Make sure you have natural light with that. You know, shoot in a good area. With that being said, number three is ring light. Number four is a tripod. How am I filming this video? A tripod. How did I do the photo shoot? A tripod. So a tripod will help your phone stand up. You can adjust it up, down, side to side, get the right angles for you. So a tripod, cause you know it's gonna be hard to try to do your photo shoot, making it sit up on shoes or a couch. It's gonna be very hard. You ain't gonna get the right angles when you trying to adjust, you know, it ain't gonna come out right. So number four, I would say a tripod. Alright. So go ahead and get you a tripod. It's gonna make a big difference. Number five, last but not least, is a photo app. A photo editor, software, you know, software editor, whatever you wanna call it. Make sure you have the right one, or make sure you have the right one for you. You know, Lightroom is a good one on iPhone. I don't know if they have it on Android, but Lightroom, you have photo editor, you have PicArt. I believe it's called PicArt, but just get the right one for you. I tried Lightroom. Lightroom is a very good one, but you do have to pay a subscription, or you do got to subscribe. And if I'm not wrong, it was $5 a month or $50 a year. With me, I don't want to pay nothing. I want to be as cheap as possible. It ain't much. $5 is not much a month. You can have a 7-day trial, but if you all want to try Lightroom, then go ahead and try Lightroom on iPhone. Like I said, Android, I do not know. If you take your time, dress nice, you know, trying to get the right angles, then, you know, the picture gonna come out good. With that said, I'm out of here.